Hi, and welcome to Deep in the Bunker. Today, we're in a Weald, and we're going to try and start a fire in the rain. Action. Okay, it's just started to rain now, so I've ducked into this cover to get the worst of it, excuse me, and yeah, let's try and keep as dry as we can until I can find a real good spot to get dry, get some kindling in and start this fire. Okay, here we are, found a little shelter. The canopy's pretty good, it's keeping out the rain, and I'm hoping now to be able to gather up some kindling, enough to get a fire started. I need to get enough to build up a pyramid of wood, a crisscross lattice of wood if you like, so the rain will not penetrate from top to the bottom and my fire starting kit will be effective. Okay, let's see if it works. Wow, that's pretty awesome. We've got a fire going, we've got it truly lit, and you know, we're going to keep that going. It's sustainable. We're going to get the burn. Yeah, it's going to burn all night if I need it. You know, I can plenty of kindling around me, plenty of firewood. I'll find larger logs later. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really proud. We've got everything we needed. We used our knowledge, experience, and we put it into practice, and that's fantastic. You know, real great graduation. Well done. Pat on the back for me, I think. Yay! Okay, so back home now. I think it's definitely time to light the fire, get toasting warm, and get snug for the evening. So I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please subscribe. So until next time, this has been Deep in the Bunker. Stay safe, stay sane, and stay out the rain.